What's up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
I just choked on my saliva. Anyways, today we've just got two little special people. Reveal yourself.
Hi.
This is Moi. And this is Sina. So we decided today, Tadu finished work early, and then we were like, oh my gosh, let's drive out to Mountain and let's do a sister date, because we have our own special dates with these girls. And yeah, we decided today was a perfect day. So we just arrived here at High Point, and we are going to go and try and see if we can do bowling and then see a movie and have dinner. Anyways, I wanted to apologize to you for not uploading anything this week. As you all know, our previous vlog, I am doing a Biggest Loser challenge, and it's been so intense for me. I've been hangry, legit hangry,
Hella hangry.
like hella hangry. I've been like proper angry because I'm starving. Like, I'm not starving, guys. I'm doing my diet, and it's just like my stomach isn't used to small portion of food, and I'm just always hungry. And every time I even tried to like put together a vlog, I was just like not having it. And so yeah, I do apologize. It's all my fault, family. Please forgive me. You have forgiven me in the past for not uploading before. Please forgive me again. But
before you forgive her, we just want to make a big shout out to all of you guys that we have been seeing out at the shopping center. And Roxy, we met a few of the subbies at Roxburgh.
oh my goodness,
last week.
Yeah, for Loka Making, we've been seeing a lot of you, family. And don't worry, we see you.
We see you guys.
Girl, we see you.
So we appreciate you guys. We love you guys so much. And just another reminder, if you guys do see us, don't even hesitate. Don't even hesitate.
Oh my goodness, shout out T&S family. Like, we love yous, and we literally do this for yous.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys continue to enjoy our content. And thank you to all our new subbies. We see you, girl. We see you. Let's hit 6,000 subscribers, and we have something special coming up. Someone will be featuring. And if you can guess the right person, down below in the comments, you will win a photo with this person.
So all of our family, sorry, that are staying loyal, thank you guys so much, and stay loyal, because we do have things coming up. Work.
Yes.
We're just trying to suss it out, talk.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes. No, but seriously, we've got a lot of things coming up. We can't reveal it yet. There's a lot of things coming up, family.
You can't.
And yeah, family, we're just so excited to see you again, and we freaking missed you. So let's get into this vlog. We're going out for dinner. We're gonna do some bowling with the little girls, and just enjoy the night. Please, family, before we jump out there, forgive me for what I am wearing. We went to Moi and Sina's house, Tadu's parents' house, and I was wearing slides with like leggings and just a basic basic jumper, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wear slides. We're going to High Point. How embarrassing. Lucky my sisters are my size. I just stole Sina's pair of shoes. How old are you, Sina?
I'm 11.
She's 11, and lucky I fit her shoes.
Man.
Lucky you have small feet. Lucky.
Thank you, mom and dad. Thank you so much. And yeah, family, let's get into this vlog. Tuxx and I love you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe down below.
You know what? Do it now. Maybe do it now. You might forget later.
You know what? Let's just wait for them to subscribe, guys. Let's just wait.
Where am I? So it should be this side.
It should be down there. Click that subscribe. Everyone tell it.
Isn't it that way?
Is it that way?
It's him.
Click the subscribe button.
Somewhere.
And make sure you like this video. And to all our viewers, if you ain't subscribed, you ain't a loyal T&S family.
Come on.
You ain't a loyal T&S family. So make sure you click that subscribe button. Let's go. Ah! to the wrong place. Okay guys, so we've decided, what have we decided?
Venom.
Yes, we've decided on the movie Venom, and we've decided to just watch a movie instead of doing bowling. The girls want to do playtime instead. So yeah, we're going to be watching. Where did Tuxx go?
He went to the toilet.
Yes, Tuxx went to toilet.
Wait, he went where?
Busty.
Toilet.
So that's Venom right there.
I feel like that's wrong.
So family, I'm truly so excited. This is the first time I've been out into like where there's full-on temptation, where I'm not allowed to eat bad food, bad choices. Yum food, but bad choices. But this is my first time being out like this, and I think I'm okay. I think that this, for 3 weeks, I've just been preparing my mind mentally, staying home and stuff, like to not be tempted, but I've been okay. But tonight, family, we'll see what my dinner option will be, like what I'm gonna actually eat. But I hope that I don't eat bad. I hope that I actually eat good. Oh my gosh, everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, what happened?
There's my drink.
Wait, let's walk that way to see if there's another shop. We're trying to look for somewhere so they could buy a drink, but somewhere where we're not going to spend $8.
Get that.
I'm gonna wait for Tuxx over here. Family, I feel like I've been doing good on my diet. I feel proud of myself. Okay, let's find Tuxx. I'm gonna apologize in advance. It was my job to charge the camera and I didn't do that. So if we change the quality, it means that we're on our phones. Family, I'm such a child. I want to play. Honey, please pass a card.
A few moments later.
Family, so oh my goodness, I just did my first go and I was like to my husband, honey, put it in, I feel lucky. I won this on my first go. Honey, win me another one. I'm gonna give it to Lanston. Oh no, you can't dig in, we didn't do the prayer. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Thank you. Y'all know your girl had to get a salad. Okay, honey, do the prayer. Amen. Okay, quickly try your food before my bat dies. After you try it. pancake as well? Is it a good mixture?
I think we got sauce here.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, our back's gonna die. Yeah, so guys, we just finished having our game, then we came over to Pancake Parlor. We couldn't make our mind up what we wanted to eat inside High Point, so we're like, just come outside. And yeah, and then I got the Caesar salad. Tadu got a barramundi fish dish with salad on the side. And the girls got chicken parma with it's on top of a pancake. How was it, baby?
10.
10.
That looks so good.
Yeah? Oh, you like it?
What yummy.
Alright guys, we're gonna enjoy this food, but we're seriously only on one battery flashing red. So if we don't come back, it means we're on our phone. But if we don't come back, we'll see you at church tomorrow. We love you. Say bye to the girl. Say bye.
Our family, what's up, what's up? Good morning, it's Sunday morning today. You already know where we are. Yep, you guessed it, we're in church. Please excuse the hair. My products didn't really work out this morning, so my effort decided to jump out, but all is well, all is good. The sound is on, everything's set up, the chairs. And if you're wondering where Sarah is in this room, and that's where they go to prepare for our service. They do the worship team prayer together, stir themselves up, and then come out here and rock it. So I'll make sure to get a bit of that for you guys, because I know how much all of you love to see me at church. See you in a bit.
Greetings to all in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Today I woke up feeling so good, amen. And as soon as we got here, we were loving up about you. I came to that and I was feeling a bit tired, and that's because what a beautiful day it is today. So today I want us to rejoice in His name and give Him all the glory and honor that He deserves, amen. As we sing this next melody, I pray that you open your hearts, that if you feel like you want to dance, if you feel like standing up, feel free in Jesus' name, amen.
e se vivo in le tue ora. O me foi a mexer, o tatou vai falar, tatou não sabe pure fora la mia non olha só ia, ai Maria, e facciamo il fanava. Amen. E poi lei magari mamma pensa la cussione
What's good, family? Church has finished and we are at Epping. We're gonna go La Familia to have lunch with Kat and Will. And we have these guys. Didn't want to wait for us.
These guys had to go.
No.
I would have stayed back.
They didn't want to wait for us to eat together.
Oh no.
They wanted to eat by themselves, so we're going.
The Gapple?
The gobble. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so Kat got the.
Oh, wow.
Kat got the what did you get, Seth?
Warm lamb.
Warm lamb salad. I got a chicken princess, the salad on the side. Honey, what did you get?
Warm stir fry. And carbonara.
Sister, what did you get?
Got the basics, no? Got the basics, no?
He just got chicken schnitzel with potato gravy.
Got the same as Chris.
Chicken mushroom risotto. And Chris got a chicken mushroom risotto. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with you?
Can I not eat? Am I not allowed to eat?
Look at his fat cheeks.
Yep.
Progress photos.
You guys missing anything else?
But honey,
So did you get us?
I don't like that.
It looks nice, bro.
He's not gonna eat it. Nah, actually, I don't know.
Why don't you eat it? Take away, mate.
I don't know. Actually, he might be pretty hungry. He's a big eater.
so me and Kat, we're gonna be savage and we're going to savage the rest of our youth. Where are you? They ditched us. They didn't want to have lunch with us.
Oh, this is so good. So delicious.
I'm so happy I'm eating this.
I can't afford to eat that.
I can't either, but I'm starving. I feel like I did good this week, I think. So me and Kat, guys, vote for us. We are trying to take this comp out. If you have any idea how, like, easy ways to lose weight, PM us. Slide in our DMs. Everyone, if you're ever hungry and you need somewhere to go for lunch,
Go food stuff.
go to La Familia.
Alright, guys.
Number one, but Bowen doesn't want to feature in this vlog because he's pissed off.
Alright, guys.
We're overboard.
Guys, if you want to order food, make sure you look at the prices.
Okay, out of 10, guys.
10.
6, so 5, 10,
5.
What do you got? 8? Okay, got 8.
No, 10.
Oh, sorry, 10. Risotto on.
My beat wasn't like...
Will, what did you choose?
Yeah, bro, 10.
10, huh?
Risotto is always on point, mate.
Oh,
Always hits this.
need to get the risotto next time. Owen, 10.
No, don't. 10. It was 10 times 8, bro. You're into 8, bro. Right.
Nah, that's what happens when you want to be like my husband. My husband orders a stir fry and he's like this to the waitress. Hey, can I get that? He's like, can I get that?